in real life, do you break down?
Season 1, during the interrogation, when I was sitting there and listening to him, I wanted to kill the man. I just wanted to tear his eyes out because he was almost proud of what he did. I can't tell you what it did to me. I still get goosebumps just thinking of it. Season 2, when you see something gruesome, you are hit back. But the last moment with Karishma in the car, she's on the other side and there is no justification for what she did. But when I was listening to her, I said, you know what? She came from a place where there is such disparity of class and the financial status in our country. What she was saying is, don't I have a right to aspire for more just because I am poor and I come from a different society? And that was the problem. You catch hold of one criminal, but what are you going to do about this? And the system. In season 3, this young girl, fantastic actress, and she started narrating it and I couldn't stop crying. And it's just hard hitting like hell. Every single time there is a rape case you read about, which is so sad, you read about at least 10 a day. It's the same anger as Nirbhaya. And I have no, honestly, I'm going to be very brutally honest over here. I have no passion or interest in, repairing these human beings. Let's give them a chance. No, this doesn't require a chance. If you've raped someone, you do not deserve a chance because there is no going back. There is no justification for what you did. It has to be capital punishment. There is no debate on this. I went a little ahead and I said it should be bob it. Chop it off and let it bleed to death. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, all the guys. I'm really sorry.